Track your BMW. The BMW Security Active and Pro GPS Tracking accessory is a certified way to monitor your car remotely and enhance your insurance conditions. Your BMW service partner can install it in your model. 2 driver tags work as a physical authenticator. Scan the QR code on your customer card and follow the steps to download the BMW Security App and connect it with your car. If the driver tags aren't around when the car is started, you'll get a push notification on your mobile. See it all. The BMW Security App offers many tracking and monitoring functions. Open the vehicle status for an overview, like are doors and windows closed? What's the fuel level or state of charge? Use tripwire to set a radius of 300 meters around the car's current position as a geofence. If it leaves this area, you will be notified immediately. Get a speed alert. When your car drives faster than a defined speed limit, you'll get notified. In Places, you can activate notifications about when the car enters or exits a set location. Set a curfew alert for time spans when the car shouldn't be moved. Trips provides a recording of your past trips with a starting and ending point. In case of a vehicle loss or theft, go to the Support tab and click on My Vehicle Has Been Stolen. Here you get a quick overview of what to do with the local numbers deposited. Please call the local police immediately to file a charge and ask for the file number. Then call the Service Operations Center so they can cooperate with the authorities to manage vehicle tracking and recovery. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.